Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Great Lash by Maybelline Totally Teal Limited Edition. And I bought it because I thought it would be super fun to have teal eyelashes. The Great Lash product is widely used amongst just the general public and also makeup artists. It's a really wonderful mascara, and this is 0.43 fluid ounces or 12.7 milliliters. It's just a really fun pop to your eye. It's kind of indescribable, but when I wear it, I get compliments, but not just from women. I get compliments from men. It's something that's really unique, and let me see if I can get this open and show you the color of what it looks like. You can kind of see the teal. I'm going to smear a little bit on my hand so you can kind of get the feeling for what the teal looks like. It's not a blue like the voluminous that they have by L'Oreal. It's a teal, so it's a nice, almost turquoisey blue, and definitely blue. I mean, blue. I'm not exactly sure what blue goes best with which eye color. I have brown eyes, and I usually go with purple. With this, I would do a purple eyeshadow and a teal mascara. It works great. It's lengthening. It lengthens, and it's something I thought would be a really fun product to try out, and it is. It absolutely is. And like I said, the Great Lash is a really popular eyelash or mascara amongst just general public and also makeup artists. So Maybelline is one of my favorite companies that makes mascara, as well as L'Oreal. I believe that Maybelline and L'Oreal create a better product because they don't use celebrities in their campaigns for their products. So I feel like instead of spending that extraneous money on advertising, they actually put it into a product and make the product a good product and a unique and fun product. This one is definitely unique and fun. I mean, I've done green eyelashes, I've done blue eyelashes, but the teal is really fun because it's a deep blue tone. It's not too crazy. I've seen actually pink mascara, which a girl tried to get me to buy. It was by Lancome. It was a pink mascara, and she's like, oh, the pink would go really great with your brown eyes. And I'm like, I am not wearing pink mascara. No, this girl is not wearing pink mascara. But I will wear teal, I will wear blue, and I will wear green. So it's something fun to add to your beauty arsenal, which every girl should have. And yeah, it's just a great product. It lengthens the eyelashes, gives it some volume. You have to be a little careful on the under lashes, under your eye, because it can smear. So you don't want teal raccoon eyes. So you definitely want to take this off with your favorite makeup remover before bed. Well, wash your face, or take off your makeup and then wash your face and then put on your cream. That's a good routine to keep up, to keep your skin looking at its best. So once again, the Totally Teal limited edition Great Lash by Maybelline. Like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.